President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. vowed that the government will give assistance to rice retailers who would be affected by the implementation of price ceiling on the commodity. Before leaving for Jakarta, Indonesia, President Marcos presided the meeting with some government agencies and discussed mitigating measures for rice retailers affected by Executive Order Number 39 or the imposition of mandated price ceilings on rice. According to the President, the concerned agencies are now preparing some measures to help the rice retailers.
Sa kasalukuyan, ang ating DTI, ang ating Department of Agriculture, ay gumagawa ng listahan ng ating mga rice retailers, yung mga association ng mga rice retailer, kung sino man ang mga rice retailer. At habang ginagawa yan, kinakalkula rin kung ano ang magiging lugi ng mga rice retailer dahil nga sa price cap. Kaya ang DSWD naman ay tiniyak namin na meron silang pondo ihanda upang pag nakalkula na natin ang lugi ng mga rice retailer ay bibigyan naman natin sila ng tulong, katumbas na tulong.
Among the proposed measures to alleviate the effects on retailers was financial assistance in wet markets and neighborhood sundry stores, loan programs, and logistics support like providing government transportation for transferring sacks of rice from traders to retailers or wholesalers. The President said the imposition of price ceiling on rice is just temporary.
Kailangan ko may paliwanag. Ito po ay pangsamantala lamang. Hindi ito tatagal. Pagdating, tayo'y umaani na ng palay. Umaani na tayo ng palay dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos na ang season. Kaya pagdating ng panahon, papasok pa, meron tayong mga in-import na bigas. Sabay-sabay na papasok yan. At makikita, basta't ilalagay namin, dadali natin sa palengke, pabayaan uli natin ang presyo ng bigas na maghanap ng sarili niyang presyo.
PBBM's EO mandated the price cap of 41 pesos per kilo for regular milled rice and 45 pesos per kilo for well-milled rice. The cap would take effect on September 5, Tuesday. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.